So welcome everybody to IWOCL 2024. My name is Tom Deakin from the University of Bristol in the UK. I'm the General Chair of IWOCL this year. It's great to welcome you all here. This is the 12th time that IWOCL has got together. We had 3 years online with COVID, and it includes that. We're quite early in the calendar year. Yes, was badly affected when the pandemic happened, but it's good to be back. It's our second conference back in person since the pandemic. Firstly, I'd like to thank the sponsors, with OpenCL and Intel and the Khronos Group, who's helped us organise the conference too, and the coordinating sponsors, Argonne, hosting us today here in the University of Chicago, along with University of Bristol and Heidelberg University too. Obviously, the OpenCL and SYCL working groups, thanks to them as well for helping support this conference as part of Khronos. We are on the first day of the technical track of IWOCL, but we've had 2 busy days so far, thanks to those that helped organise those. This was an Intel and CoPlay sponsored event led by Sri. Here's some nice shots. We obviously got to saw the eclipse in the bottom right there. And these are some pictures of the presentations that people gave at the end. And it was fantastic to see all the progress that people had made hacking away on their SYCL applications. And made good use of the X from Intel CoPlay and Heidelberg and other places in supporting them working on their codes. That was really great to see that this year. Yesterday, we had around 30 of you joined for the advanced SYCL tutorial led by Hugh in CoPlay. Thanks for all the hard work on there. This is Thomas presenting here, some stuff about more advanced features, SYCL 2020 spec. It's an important part, I think, of IWOCL to provide these tutorials so everyone can learn a bit more about the programming model we talk about during the week. Some sort of adverts coming up. It's traditional IWOCL that we have update working groups that maintain the standards. So we're going to have an update from the OpenCL working group, the SYCL working group, which does mean me, unfortunately, and which is a safety critical version of SYCL that is being developed. After that, we're going to hear from Kevin all about OpenCL on mobile. So to have Kevin as our keynote speaker for today. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to have a welcome from our host, Argonne. Bryce is going to give us an introduction to what's going on at Argonne, which will be really cool to see. And then Carol from Red Hat is here tomorrow to talk all about Rustical, which is a really cool project, which is an implementation of PL. So it's great to welcome Carol here to talk to us tomorrow. A few little kind of bits of information. We had 45 submissions to IWOCL this year. It was pretty competitive. So if you were there, congratulations. It was definitely more competitive this year than it has been in previous years. Talks, and we accepted 12 submissions posters, many of which you'll see at the back, and they will be there all the 2 days. So if you are a poster author, please hang around your poster in the coffee breaks. Obviously, make facilities. Please, congregate and speak to the poster authors so you can kind of chat about their work. There's some really cool stuff that is going to be presented as posters, so make sure you do spend some time during the next 2 days to chat to the poster authors. All papers and posters appear in proceedings in the ACM. This is the link. It will be on the website as well, so you'll be able to download the papers and abstracts for the posters as well. We've got really cool coming up things I won't read out, but lots of different very interesting topics for all the presentations and posters at IWOCL this week. Finish on Thursday on afternoon. We're going to finish the conference with a panel discussion all about OpenCL and SYCL and its interaction with C++. So I will be putting the panel together over the next day or so. A good discussion. So if you've got a difficult question about programming C++, make sure you have a think about that and ask our panelists tomorrow before we finish. So we had a drinks reception last night. You'll see some of us are wearing t-shirts. If you missed out on that, there are t-shirts around. If you go and see, where will they be, Tim? in the break area. So with the teas and coffees, if you go and grab the t-shirt there's all different sizes. So you haven't missed out if you missed on the drinks reception last night. So please pick up those t-shirts. Tonight we have a kind of a casual conference dinner. It's going to be at this restaurant here. It's about a 7 or 8 minute walk from the venue. It's going to start at 7 o'clock and run till about 10. When you get there, there will be a cash bar if you want any kind of pre-dinner drinks. But after that, there is there'll be beer and stuff available with the meal as part of the conference. But just to note, they don't take credit cards or debit cards or anything. If any pre-dinner drinks, make sure you have some new. So that's it from me. I hope you have a very good couple of days. With that, I'm going to hand over to the Khronos keynotes and the State of the Union, starting with Kevin to let us know all about OpenCL. So Kevin.